Welcome my people. So today we're unboxing this Jumbostone. I don't know how to pronounce this. If you know how to pronounce, let me know. But yeah, Jumbostones. Okay, yeah, you know the name. See, yes. So it says just waterproof, dynamic bass, speakerphone. So it's like it has a microphone and a long play. So today 20 hours battery life. Anyways, let's see what it has inside. Notice something here. So depending on the amount of volume you apply, the battery life also works like that. So at 10% you are expected to play for 20 hours, 50% 12 hours, 8%, and so on and so forth. Yeah, let's dive in. Okay, what else? Just simple stuff. We have a USB Type-C here, a small menu here. Yeah, just basic stuff, basically. Let's put this aside. I'm interested in this. It's very heavy. Might be very nice. Yeah, it's heavy. Okay, I think this is part of the speaker here. Okay, I'm guessing this is where you connect the charger and the legs. Yeah, so charging port. If I put a USB card, I think if you have a memory card here, you can put it in here. Then here we get power button, I think, volume up, down, pause, just the basic stuff. Yeah, let's power it up. Oh, you need to long press. I like the sound that it has when you turn it on. It's like JBL sound. You know that sound for JBL, which is very nice. Okay, let's pair it to device. Okay, basically it appears here. Jumbo. I don't know. You know the name. Jumbostone. Yeah. Okay, let's play something. I don't know what song to play, but let's go to YouTube. Okay, play something from one of our own guys I know. On your block, it's about that time, yeah. When you see me staring, better look the other side, cause I'm taking what is mine, then I'm taking what is yours. Oh, this song is by Natic, guys, Big Energy. The link will be down below. I'm on a higher frequency, that's a different energy. I'm a god in the flesh, that's a sacred prodigy. That's nice bass, I just played here. It's even bouncing. Let's go. They're watching how I'm living. I don't sugarcoat it. So it's not that loud, I know you win your feelings. But it's good. It's very good for some music while you relax. Yeah, even when you start, I think you can use this. This is very nice. Yeah. Let's play something else. I am just another living legend in the. Don't cry. Put your lighters in the sky, sing loud, it's time for the biggest step, the biggest step, the biggest step, the biggest step, the biggest step. Everything I do is for the future. Get love and peace from the maker, me brother man. Yeah. Life in a speaker. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.